All right, so in writing, we are going to move into what we call like a research project. We are going to be doing a project-based learning that is going to happen in reading and writing class. So it's not science or math, always the fun stuff, but reading and writing where you're going to have to do some research. And so in the link, I have included a problem that is going on, and you have a task at hand. So today I want you to look and really analyze what you have to do. What are some of the things that I know? What are some things that I don't know already that I'm going to have to figure out to complete this project? To complete the project, you're going to have to do several different things. So today, you are just going to take the document that's there, and you're just going to think about all the different things that you know already and all the different things that you want to know or need to know to be able to be successful with this project. And then I kind of want you to start thinking about who is someone based on that document that you would want to research, because over this next week, we are going to be researchers. And there's lots of different ways to do that. And we're going to talk about how do we research this week? How do I find information? What kind of information do I keep? And those kinds of things. So today, I really want you to just think about what do I know and not know off of that sheet that is given you. And I want you to kind of start researching and who you would want to pick as your person based off of that sheet.